विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो। पर्वरीच्या संजय इश्कॉलांत शेनवारा माडांचें फेस्त जालें। ह्या इश्कॉलाच्या भुरग्यांक उर्बा दिवपाक बऱ्याचशा लोकांनी ह्या फेस्ताक आपली हजेरी लायिल्ली। पुलीस बँड पथकान ह्या फेस्ताक आपलें सादरीकरण केलें। ह्या फेस्ताचें उक्तावण गोंय पुलिशेचे IGP जसपाल सिंग हांच्या हस्तुकीं जालें। RD एक्सको खातीर पर्वरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
आता हे माडाचे फेस्त म्हणजे आमचे संजय सेंटर फॉर स्पेशल एज्युकेशन पळय आसा तांचे भुरग्याचे डिसेबिलिटीचे भुरग्याचे आनी लोकांचे खास करून सुकूर आनी आमच्या पर्वरी हे सगळे गांवाचे आनी गोंयांतले लोक सगळे हांगा एकठांय आयिल्ले आसा ह्या भुरग्यांक प्रोत्साहन दिवपाक। तांची कॅपॅसिटीज जे आमचे डिसेबल्ड भुरगे असतात तांचे कडेन सगळे कॅपॅसिटीज असतात। तांकां जाय सपोर्ट सिस्टम, तांकां जाय एक्सेसिबिलिटी, तांकां जाय बरे भशेन सगळे टेक्नॉलॉजिकल फॅसिलिटी। सो तांकां ह्यो सगळ्यो फॅसिलिटी जर दिल्यो आनी तांकां जर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज दिल्यो, तांकां एज्युकेशन दिलें जाल्यार दे आर लेस दॅन नन।
Today is a historic day in Goa because we are going to be celebrating the coconut of Goa. Everybody has come, as you see. This festival is inclusive and we have to make from now onwards every festival in Goa accessible for all. And Sanjay School today is going to give the lead. Here is the base and from here onwards all festivals today, this is how it should be. Everybody has to be involved. Thank you very much for supporting us, and we're going to have a great day ahead of us today.
This is the third festival now where we are promoting accessibility and inclusion. The first one was in October where the Equatate Fest was there. Then last Sunday we had the Muskanche Fest, and this Saturday we are having this Madanje Fest. As you know, also Goa is famous for its mud, and it is good that we are focusing. We are using the mud to promote this inclusion and accessibility for persons with disability. Today there are lots of persons with disability in Goa, but the main problem is accessibility for the persons with disability. And we hope that people will make Goa accessible at the earliest, because a lot of big population, be it the persons with disability as well as elderly people as well as pregnant women, can benefit from easy accessibility for the persons with disability.
फाटले कित्येक दीस बाब प्रकाश, बाब मारियस आणि आमची सगळी टीम, टीचर्स आणि सगळे स्टाफ, नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ खूप नेट ज्यांनी सगळी जबाबदारी घेतलेली आसा। आणि आज तुमकां जे कितें पळोवंक मेळटा ते म्हाका श्रेय जे आसा ते आमच्या टीचिंग नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ बरोबर जे व्हॉलंटियर्स आसा आणि ज्यांच्यानी आमकां मार्गदर्शन केलें सगळे आमचे स्टुडंट्स प्रत्येक तांचे हांगा स्वागत करता।
It's a great privilege that Mr. Kamath today morning invited me to Sanjay School, and after taking a round of the school, I really feel proud that differently enabled children and differently enabled people have great creative potential, and I think even a person who is properly gifted by the nature will not be able to perform so meticulously as these kids have performed. So it's a wonderful initiative by Sanjay School.